Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Maria Mgini, and this channel is all about sharing my daily life in the village, guys, where I am with my daughter who is now in school right now, guys. And today's video, going to show you the second touring of my farm, my vegetable farm, guys. And yesterday I left some work going on, and of fencing. That's the first step I said that I wanna start with, and that's what I'm going to check after buying the post. After buying the post of fencing, so I'm going to check if the person I assigned to do the job has done it or not, and also if he has started the process of digging, because you have to dig first to remove. First it was slashing before clearing the bush, and then we go slicing, and then we go digging, not slicing. Yes guys, so that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm just walking here, just showing you around the neighborhood. Yeah, so the place is not far from where I stay, so it is just a walking distance, and within a few minutes you are there, so it won't take much of my walking. So you can go around from the tarmac road. If you want to visit the farm, you can start from the tarmac road, going using the tarmac road. You come to the stage of Nyabuanse, and then you take the way to Nyabuanse Girls High School, and then now you reach to where the farm is, and from there or you can just come the way I'm coming now. It is much shorter. Yes, so here, as I said, it is not far. So this is it, guys. So yeah, here we are. So the work has already started, guys. The work has already started. So this is what was done yesterday, the fencing. Yeah, so this is what was done, but as you can see, the posts are at a distance. Just look at that, guys. So we still need to do something. So this one is just to let the cows or the cattle that have been venturing in not to come in anymore, because now the place is going to be used. Just look at this, guys. So if in case along the way I found another post, I can add, so for tight security, guys, for tight security. Yeah, so this post I bought them yesterday evening before the raining, and the guys did some work. They did some good work here, and then today this is what has been done. This is what has been done. Just look at that, guys. So this is digging. He dug. So this is the first day of digging. So you can see how the soil is very fertile. It is fertile. It is very fertile, of which it is we are going to make a good vegetables from this garden, guys. Yeah, we are going to make a very good vegetables. So I also need these banana trees to be as you can see, they are bushy. So I need this to be cleared, at least to look good. So look how bushy they are. Yeah. So we can eat them once they produce fruits, guys. Yeah, since now I own the place at the moment, so no one will come here or bring. Like this one is a good manure, guys. You see, these ones do produce good manure. Once they have decomposed, then this is really good manure. I do prepare. I do prefer natural manure, so which are very very good. Yeah. So, and also before the house come down, I'm thinking of also bringing in the sacks, because I had the idea. I want to do farming, thorough farming, guys. Even if the place is not going to be enough, then I will also use along the corridor. I'm going to arrange the container or the sacks and everything. So I just want to use every space that is here, every space that I found. Even here, I'm going to arrange the sacks here, so that I can plant more vegetables here, guys. Yes, so you know, I don't want to let any empty space empty space unused. So anyway, even here I will just arrange the sacks, and then I plant vegetable in. Even here I will put some sacks on top of this rock, and then we plant in vegetables. So that is the thing I was thinking overnight, because even on the sack can stay there and they produce vegetables. So guys, as you can see, the work is going on well. The work is going on well. I'm really impressed with the guy that I assigned for the job, as he's doing it well. He's doing it well. So these are the avocados that are falling down. The fruits, the trees have a lot of fruits, guys. Just so see that. Hope you can be able, I can zoom it. I'm trying to zoom, but it is not coming. Maybe I needed to zoom it before. The trees are very tall, very very tall. But hopefully you can see the fruits. You can see the avocados. Some they are ready, some not yet. Let me stand where. So here, you know, these avocados, they are not of the same type. Each of these tree, they are different. So just look how they have fallen. This is another one, but these ones are not yet ready. Just look at this. So like this one is ready. You see, I'm carrying them. I'm going to carry them. I'm not leaving them here. Let me gather them to. This one has it didn't fail today. This one's also. So I'm collecting them here and put somewhere, and then I get a bag. I carry them home. I'm going to carry them home, guys. Yes. Oh, this one have been eaten by insects, so I'm not carrying that one. Yeah, so these ones are pretty ready, pretty ready. Yeah, so I don't know how I'm gonna carry these ones, but I'm not going to leave them here. As I said, I'm carrying everything. Yes. So when I come here, I just want to have a taste of each avocado. So I'm going to see if I can be able to identify, because they have different tastes, and also the 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 outer cover seems to be different. So I will be going through one by one and try to learn them, to know which one is this, which one is this, which one is this. Yes guys, so that's what I'm going to do. And this one is seems to be ready, and it is going, and it looks very sweet. Yes guys, so today about shamba here is over. I'm going to put now this one in my bag. Ota hethi gucha nuwa hatorante me hanu yukicha. Nama avocado gano te moko ria.
Ka kongi ni kana marera.
Maha gano gagoye gano tiga konga.
E ka ko na moko. Na mare ka ta ko tabera ni ande kamu.
So kimetige non tofauti kirenge. Yes guys, so he has assisted me with this. Tango teri ko omurekere igo bene. Mutore. Ko mahore ke bure ingotore. So guys, I'm collecting my avocados. Yes. Kabra.
Sasa irimire.
Koro kirenge. Yes guys, as you have seen, I came to check that place where the worker was working. You can see what he has done, and then I found avocados and collected. Here they are. For now I will be coming to an end of today's video. Until tomorrow, see you. Yes, so before I say until next time, so guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give it a like, comment and share. Remember, we are here guys. See you in the next video. Bye.